I did not have sexual relations with that woman, Miss Lewinsky.
Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky.
It'll make up.
Word.
Monica Lewinsky.
That's Monica Lewinsky.
Monica Lewinsky.
And everyone's like, no, G, why'd you rap on that shit? Make a dumb song about acting ratchet. Flip another 50s on, that's a classic. Endless summer, please go back to that shit. Ain't shit changed, got the facts to back it. And I don't give a fuck if the truth be told, cause I've been doing drugs with these groupie hoes, drunk listening to Gucci Throat. Last night, yeah, I found a slut who appeared to be the type to be down to cut. She took another shot and said, turn down for what? Like, I don't know, fuck, you look like you might throw up. Silly hoes party so much these days. The Monica Lewinskys who give the BJs. I really like your friend, call her up for 3 ways. This song's full of all the cliches. Bullet bourbon, I pull up swerving. I'm the waviest, I might pull up surfing. I'm waking up, I'm over as fuck. I make the girl get out, but first pull the curtain. Off a bizzle, throw a party, all these bitches sniffle. Neighbors bugging, saying, please just try to keep it civil. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky.
It'll make up.
Word.
Monica Lewinsky.
That's Monica Lewinsky.
Monica Lewinsky.
That's Monica Lewinsky.
We brought weed, we brought bars, said bring friends, she was cool with that. The homie brought the whip, I hop in front, there's true and bad. RC girls, they just wanna go to school and act. She gon' run and tell her friends that Skizzy Mars is cool as shit. Rapper stereotypes, but what if it happens like every night? I pull out my phone and I barely can type. Mix the liquor, the pills, and it rarely goes right. I'm like, look where we started, we used to get carded. Two-step with models at One Oak and Derby. Blues by the cart in the life of the party. She a big fan, got my mixtape on her laptop. Cigarettes in hand, the city is our backdrop. Her and all her friends Instagramming, taking snapshots. I got the whiskey, got the weed, hit the jackpot. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky.
It'll make up.
Word.
Monica Lewinsky.
That's Monica Lewinsky.
Monica Lewinsky.
That's Monica Lewinsky.
Monica Lewinsky. Monica Lewinsky. Monica Lewinsky. It'll make up.
Word.
Word.
Twerk. Squirt. That's Monica Lewinsky.
It'll make up.
Word. Twerk. Squirt. That's Monica Lewinsky.
Molly in that whiskey. That's Monica Lewinsky.